Yes, sir. It's the vibe, cool kids and cool cats and kittens. We have a different type of unboxing today. We got these. I think the day they came out, and we got them a few days after. We ordered them Saturday, and we got them basically on Wednesday or Tuesday or some shit. Yeah, I know what it is. We're gonna get right to this. Shout out to Nike for putting a sticker on top of this. That is like one of the clutchest things you could do as a Nike, employee. Although I'm not a fan of when you could see through the bottom here. If you look closely, you can't see it but if you looked at it, yeah, I mean, you can see the red wings down there. Whatever. I'm not gonna get too specific about it. But let's get right to this shit, boys. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's get to the nitty gritty, boys. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's see if I like these. We gotta see if we beat the mold allegations. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Alright, so far so good. Okay. Let's put everything back in the middle. Check this out. It's such a nice feeling box. Let's see, boys, if we beat the allegations, the mold allegations. Okay. Really, really nice box. The way it feels, the paper, on first glance. This is the paper, boys. This is what the paper feels like. 10 out of 10. 7.5. I love the way this feels right here. The authenticity of the box feels great. All right, boys. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, boys. Oh man, these are fucking tough. Moment of truth, boys. 1 second, we'll get that one. 1 second. Okay, 1 second, boys. Wow. Oh, wait, yo, is this mold? Damn, these are so fire. You boys gotta see the detail in this shoe. Wowzers. I don't think that's mold. I don't know what the fuck that is. Because you see it's not on the other side, so I'm not sure if that is mold. I don't think so, but there's no mold on the top. This just reminds me of the fours. That I'll clean off eventually. Look like somebody tried my shits on and put them back in the box. That I'm tight about. But wowzers, boys, this shoe is something else. This is a great shoe, boys. Wowzers. Alright, let's look at the other one. And, wow, it's a little cooked up here. Not too happy about that. We beat the mold allegations, though. There's no mold on our shits. But as you can see, I don't know. This side kind of got it too. Like how the other side has it, I guess. I guess they're supposed to look like that. I'm not too hot on the fact that this one's cooked like that in the front, but I guess it gives it more like, what's that called? More rich, more character. This being at the bottom is so cool. Hold on a second, boys. Feels nice. So cool. Shout out to Leah. But yeah, this is what this is what you look forward to when you get in these. You feel me? So as always, boys, thank you for watching. I know the vibes. See you soon.